Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to RAM Overloaded. Today I'm going to show you guys how to record YouTube Shorts or TikToks on your computer. Okay, so the main problem is to get the resolution where, the resolution is either your full screen or you can't get it to the exact dimensions. So it's really simple to do. All you need to do is download OBS. It's a completely free software you can download. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can just download it from there. But then you can see over here on my screen, I have my whole screen displaying, and this is the resolution of TikTok or YouTube Shorts or any short form videos, right? So you can see over here, and the cool thing is you can also move the screen. So let's say you want to show something on the screen, but it's a little on the side. You can just easily just move it to the right, to the left, right? So you're not just stuck with one area without having to move it. Obviously you can use your phone camera, right, and record your computer and monitor, but that's just a really low quality video and not even worth making, in my opinion, right? Every time I see a video of someone doing that, I just automatically skip it. So yeah, this will give you a lot better quality videos, and it's just a lot better experience overall. All right, so let's get started. First, what you want to do, if you're newly installing this, you probably won't have any display captures, so you'll have to do plus. And then over here, you will select window capture or display capture. That's better. Display capture. I'll do, let's just name this TikTok, or let's do shorts for YouTube Shorts. All right, make source visible. Okay. All right, so now here you want to capture which screen, because obviously you can show one screen. I have two screens connected, so I will only display one, which is the one you guys are seeing right now. So you guys can see this screen. Let's just keep that automatic, and capture cursor, sure, force SDR, let's leave that. Let's press OK. All right, so you guys can see over here, this is, you're probably seeing this full screen, right? You're seeing everything, which is how it's supposed to be. I have my resolution completely messed up. That's why it's showing as this weird thing. All right, so now next what you want to do is go on the right hand side and click settings. You'll see a pop-up come up, and then press videos. Under videos, the base canvas resolution is what you want to switch. So you want to switch it to 1080 by 1920. If you have a regular 1080, it'll be 1920 by 1080. You're basically just reversing it. Okay, so make sure it's 1080 by 1920. All right, and then once you update that, this output scaled resolution will automatically update to something like 360 by 640 or something like that. And you want to go and manually change that to 1080 by 1920. All right, and the reason for that is when you change the resolution, it changes the resolution of the video, also the quality. We want to keep the quality the same, right? We just want to capture less of the screen. So then you press apply, okay, and you'll have this. So now here you can just record whatever you want to record, pan it to the right or left, up and down, whatever you want to see. And that's basically it. So let's say if you do want to kind of also change up where I don't want to show the toolbar on the bottom, I can just kind of expand this a little above this radius over there. Okay, so now you can see this is how it will display. All right, and what else? Let's go to settings, and let's see if there's anything. Okay, no, not that default. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess nothing else we can kind of update. I know there is another option I've seen where you can set in the display, you can set where it doesn't record OBS. So you'll have OBS on top, but the screen recording will still be of the browser in the back for me. So, maybe I don't have the latest version on this computer, but you can do that and if you download the latest one. All right, so that's pretty much it. Again, settings, and then update the videos and the video resolution, and that's pretty much it. And then when you want to record, press start recording, and you want to see all your recording, go to files, show recordings. It'll take you to that folder with this video already saved. All right, that's pretty much it. If this video if you liked it and it really helped you, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. That definitely helps the channel out. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.